So let's start the explanation part. First we'll read. Waters for washing, drinking, making tea, cleaning the bath or scrubbing me, shining a car or rinsing a shirt, watering tomatoes, shifting the dirt, my mom says. But I say, paddling in valleys or just in feet, puddles are good, but seas a treat. Squirting at brothers, splashing dad, soaking my sister to make her mad, mixing with mud to bake a pie, spraying the dog or catching a fly, bath or puddle, sleet or rain, let's all play a water game. So here there is difference in opinion or uses of water between a mom and a girl, just like waters for washing means to wash clothes, utensils or something else. Drinking for drinking water and to satisfy our thirst. Making tea means to prepare tea. Cleaning the bath means नहाने के लिए, and to clean anything that is dirty we need water. और scrubbing me to rub your body, अपने शरीर को रगड़ने के लिए भी आपको पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तब तो आप साफ़ कर पाएंगे. Shining a कार को साफ़ करने के लिए, then also you need water. Does a car shine without cleaning it with water? No. Or rinsing a shirt means to wash a shirt with clean water. For this also you need water. Watering tomatoes, shifting the dirt means to water plants, vegetables, then only it will grow properly. Watering tomatoes or shifting the dirt means you want to remove the dirt or clean your home or to mop a floor. You clean it with the help of water. My mom says. So this was the opinion, and this is the way how a mother uses water. Now have a look how kids or how a girl uses water, how the girl here wants to use water. But I say paddling in valleys or just in feet. Valleys means a kind of shoes like high boots. Its length is up to below your knees. These are made with waterproof materials, due to which the water can't easily reach inside the shoes, and it protects feet from water, mud, etc. So these are valleys. But the girl is saying she wanted to move on water, paddling in valleys, जूते पहनकर पानी इकट्ठे हुए पानी पर चलना, या फिर just in feet means she wants to walk bare feet, खाली पैर जमे हुए पानी के ऊपर चलना. Puddles are good but seas are trick. Here the girls want to say that it's good to move on water, but it would be more nice if there would be seashore where she could play. Puddles means a area, a pit covered with water. She is saying it feels good to move on puddle, but it would be more amazing if she gets chance to move besides the seashore. Squirting at brothers, to hit with a stream of liquid. So she enjoys to hit water forcefully on his brother to have fun. Splashing dad means to, what do you mean by splashing? Means to move noisily through water and splash water drops on dad to have fun. Soaking my sister means to make her sister completely wet just to annoy her, to irritate her, or for fun. Mixing with mud to bake a pie means here the girl needs water to mix it with mud, and to bake a pie means a sweet dish. So here she will make pie with mud, जैसे हम लोग केक बनाते हैं ओवन में. She will make pie after mixing mud and water. Spraying the dog. Spraying means force out liquid in very small drops under pressure. So here the girl is using water to spray the dog. डॉग के ऊपर पानी फेंकने के लिए. डॉग को कैसा लगता होगा. और कैचिंग अ फ्लाई. फ्लाई मीन्स मक्खी. मक्खी पकड़ने के लिए. आप लोग पकड़ सकते हो क्या मक्खी. डू यू कैच अ फ्लाई with water? I don't know, but the girl here is having desire to catch a fly with force of water. How she will catch a fly with the help of water? But she is saying here spraying the dog or catching a fly. Bath or puddle. Bath means what? To wash your body or to take a shower. Puddle means a small muddy pool on the side of the road. So she wants to take a bath or to move on muddy pool. Sleet or rain. Sleet means snowfall with rain where quantity of water is less. The small drops, pieces of snowfall, that is sleet. So whether it is sleet or rain, she wants to enjoy it. Let's all play a water game. In this poem, two different scenarios we have seen about the difference in uses of water for a mom or for a child. A mother uses water for doing all household daily routine essential work, whereas the child or the kids uses water in different ways. For them, they like and love to use water for playing a water game, for having fun, enjoyment. That's all in this lesson. I hope you like it. Thank you.